Alright, today we have a 12-piece ratchet set. I really bought this for like the number 10, number 8. Those are kind of big on vehicles now, especially the number 10. Also the 13 millimeter. I really like the 13 millimeter as well. That one's really used a lot. The set actually seems pretty good. Like I said here, there's probably about 70 teeth in here and 60 in the small ones. I got this set from eBay, and the box is decent enough, but some of the ratchets don't want to stay in their slots. But like if you're wanting to tote it around your vehicle and you want something to hold them all together, it's a pretty decent box, you know, to throw in basically. The whole set here cost me about $36 or $38, I can't remember exactly which. But they range from anywhere, let's say about $36 all the way up to about $50. I don't know about $50 for the set, but at least around 40 something would be pretty decent for this set. So the ratchet here, it works pretty good. Like I said, this was probably got about 70 teeth in it, so it's not bad. It does have an Allen bolt through it, so you can tighten it over time if it starts wearing out, or you could put a washer in there and put it back in and tighten it down. Yeah, I mean, they're pretty good. They're made out of, supposed to be made out of chrome, Vesim, whatever it is. I looked it up earlier, and basically it says it's a hardened steel for like actually making tools. So, yeah, they should be pretty decent if that's, you know, if that's actually not lying to you and it actually is made out of that stuff. It should be pretty good. The set I bought mostly, like I said, for those three, but you know, for the full set I paid 36 bucks, maybe $38, I can't remember which. But if you went to like Lowe's and something and you tried to buy just this one ratchet, this one Craftsman ratchet, it would probably cost you around like $15 or $20. And you know, I can't see paying that for one ratchet, except you would possibly have a lifetime warranty with Lowe's nowadays, and the way they're treating people with the Craftsman tools, I couldn't say that for much longer. But you would have that at least kind of to help you out. But you know, $15, this set was only like 2 or 3 of these ratchets. Well, not these ratchets, but a Craftsman ratchet. 2 or 3 of these, 2 or 3 Craftsman ratchets could buy this whole set, and you know, you could have this whole set all the time. You could always go back on eBay and buy the single one, but they still want like $7 or $8 just for this one here. So yeah, I think the set is pretty good. I'll really have to give it a nice try out because they really haven't barely been out of the box. You can kind of see it. There are just some slight imperfections in the metal, but you know, made from wherever, you don't know where it is, so you know, it's not too bad. Looks pretty good. It looks pretty much like the same people would be making the Harbor Freight tools and stuff. They feel kind of the same. They got kind of a slickness to them, just a little bit. It just moves around. So yeah, I'd say probably it could even be made in the same factories over in China that the Harbor Freight ones are made from. But yeah, like the box is pretty good. It comes in, holds them all reasonably. You know, I'm not going to say perfectly, but reasonably. I'm going to actually put mine in a drawer in my toolbox and just shut it up in there so I can just open it up and pull out the one I want. Yeah, I'll put the link in the description for the cheapest set I could find on eBay. That way you don't have to go over and search eBay for like 2 or 3 hours trying to find the cheapest set. I'll put it down there. If you do go over there and search for a set of these swivel head ones, just make sure that it is a swivel head that you're buying. I saw a lot of people over there trying to sell you the non-swivel head ones, and they actually put in the description 12-piece swivel head ratchet, and you click on it and it'll bring you in and it'll try to sell you the non-swivel heads. Make sure you go to the click down box and check that, but most of the time you can't even check it because they don't even have these available on that page. So just one thing to be wary of if you're trying to do it yourself and go on there and try to find them. But like I said, I will have the link down for the cheapest set I could find here on eBay. And like I said, it looks like it's going to be a pretty decent set for me. I mean, I don't really put my tools through a lot of stress. I really wouldn't recommend like getting this 19 and putting it on a bolt and then getting like another wrench and hooking in the end, or getting like a cheater bar, like a 3-foot cheater bar, and putting on it and try really cranking down on it, because this will not take it. They actually recommend, like on the Craftsman tools and stuff, they don't recommend doing that because of this weak spot here. Usually you just snap a ear off. But yeah, they seem to be like they're pretty good. Pretty happy with the purchase. And time will really just tell if these are going to actually work out, but I'm pretty sure as long as they could just do a little bit of the ratcheting in the tight spots and help me out there, it should be worth the money. Alright, well, I hope you have a good day. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Alright, thank you. Don't forget one of these. Bye.